On Twitter weekly time frame, price is currently sitting around a strong resistance zone as you can see in green and round number 55. That's why we'll be looking for sell setups on lower time frames, and as price approaches our lower support in blue and round number 20, we'll be looking for buy setups. For now, price is sitting around resistance, so as mentioned, we'll be looking for sell setups unless price breaks it upward aggressively with many bullish candles. Then our resistance would become support, and we'll be looking for buy setups on 3 test as a movement till our upper 73 resistance and all-time high would be expected. In this case, as price approaches our red resistance, we will be looking for sell setups. So long story short, we are looking for sell setups now. Around here, we'll be looking for buy setups, and if price breaks it upward, buy and then sell. We're now practicing our resistance, so let's zoom into lower time frames to look for potential sell opportunities. As you can see from daily time frame, this one is overall bullish, making clean higher highs and higher lows. As you can see around here, price was making big impulse movements, small corrective, big impulse movements, and small corrective. For now, price is trying to break above the last swing high, so this impulse is not done yet. As you can see, the red dot is not plotted yet. That's the power of RichTL, as it shows us that the swing is already done. So this one is already done, this one is already done. We use this, and this to draw the trend line. For now, our latest swing high is not done yet. That's why price can still go up to test our resistance, as we always say, to get more liquidity to be able to push price lower. But since price is sitting around a resistance zone, as mentioned from weekly time frame, we will be looking for sell setups on lower time frames. And as price approaches our brown trend line, which acts as a non-horizontal support, we will be looking for trend following buy setups on lower time frames. So for now, from this time frame, long story short, sell and then buy from around here. And if we zoom into to H1 time frame, we can see that Twitter already formed a valid trend line as price is connecting, as the trend line connects 1, 2, and 3. So this trend line is for now valid. However, as I always say, this one is still overall bullish, making higher highs and higher lows, as you can see. So it's not a good time to sell just yet. We also have a minor supply zone as price made an aggressive movement downward from it. So we can see some rejection from here. But as mentioned, price can still go up to get more liquidity to be able to push price lower. For now, we are not trying to catch the exact top and bottom like many traders do. We are looking for sell setups, and we want the sellers to prove to us that they are taking over. That's why we'll be waiting for a new swing to form around our lower red trend line to consider it valid. Let's make it as usual in gray for our trigger swing. Here we go. And when this swing is formed, then it will become our trigger swing and we will enter sell after a momentum candle close below it. And as usual, when the sell is activated, our stop loss would be just above the last swing high and we target a 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio. And as you can see, we have a brown trend line here which can act as a non-horizontal support. So as price approaches the trend line, we'll be looking for buy setups on lower time frames. And if price goes down and buy is activated, then we'll close our sell in profit around 1.7, 1.8 R, and we'll buy this one as a trend following setup. That's it for Twitter. Until the sell is activated, this one will be overall bullish. So always wait for confirmation, as trading is reactive and not predictive. Good luck.